Welcome back. I'm E.Reap, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So as you can tell from the title, this is going to be, I guess, a trial run for a new series that I might, throw onto the channel or include into the channel. Just because, it's hard to get releases these days, but I definitely want to keep bringing content to you guys around sneakers, of course. So, but you let me know down in the comments, or I guess by the views and the likes and any kind of engagement, if y'all want me to continue this particular series. So today is the first installment of How Did I Cop? Or Cop Stories. Or I don't know. I'll figure out a title for the series. But so yeah, we're gonna do the cool grade 3s, man. See the box. See the size tag. Size 12. But yeah, this one, I really wanted these. But, the way I work, like my schedule is like really non-existent. So like I work random hours and at random times. So when these dropped, I want to say, I know it was overnight, but I feel like it was a long job. It might have been like 15 or 20 hours. It was something crazy because I was tired that morning when I got off. And these dropped on the sneakers app, whatever, at 10. So when I got home, took a shower and everything, got ready to take a nap before the release. And I set my alarm. I think I set 2 alarms. It was like one at like 9:45 and the other one was like 9:58. So I wake up right on time, right? And when I actually woke up, it was noon. So I'm like, bruh, this is the only release that I really wanted and I had high hopes of getting, and I overslept. So of course by the time I woke up, everything was sold out. Like every sneaker site, sneakers, of course, was long gone. Twitter, everybody was posting their W's and everything was sold out, blah, blah, blah. So I was like, man, I was just so upset that I missed out on these. Check them out. They're cool gray. You can't go wrong with the cool gray. It's definitely one of the underrated 3 colorways. These, the flips, and then the Do the Right Things. Hopefully they drop those 2 as well. At least the Do the Right Things. I wouldn't mind another pair of flips, but I understand everybody doesn't like those, bro. So yeah. So I'm waking up and I'm mad. I'm livid. I'm like, well, how did I sleep through this release? The only release I really wanted at that time. So I went back to sleep. I was like, whatever, man. You know what I'm saying? I chalked it up as an L. Charged to the game. So around 3:30-ish, I want to say. Downstairs, I was eating, watching YouTube, of course. That's my routine. I don't know about y'all, but I can't sit down and eat without watching YouTube if I'm at the crib. You know what I'm saying? Even on lunch break at work, I eat in the car. I got my YouTube on the on my steering wheel, propped up the phone and everything. I gotta watch something while I'm eating. Let me know if y'all the same way, cause hopefully I'm not the only one. But if I am, it's all good. I ain't mad at it. But yeah, so I'm chilling, right? I'll show it to you one more time. And then sneaker Twitter tweeted out sizes are popping up again, and they're carting. So I'm like, okay. So whatever YouTube video I was watching, I had to pause it. Clicked on the link, and it took me to Champs, and all sizes were still available on Champs. But you know how it goes usually when you click on it, and it'll say error or product not available. So I'm like, all right, it's gonna be the same thing. So I clicked on the 12, add the cart, and it actually went to the cart. So I was like, okay, bet. So put my information in. I paid with Apple Pay. I don't even remember. Boom, easy. But once I got the confirmation, it said that your item or your shoe, whatever, is on back order. So It won't ship. It won't ship for like another 3 weeks, something, 2 or 3 weeks, whatever it was. So it ended up being like a month later, and they actually shipped because I was getting nervous. I was like, it's getting close. It went past the initial date, so I'm like, man, they canceled my shoe. Like and I actually, what made me really mad was Finish Line restocked them in the store like a week or two after I ordered these on back order. So I'm like, I passed up on the guaranteed pair at Finish Line in store because I already had these on the way. And then I was like, man, they didn't cancel the joint because I didn't get any movement. Because like I said, it was past the date that they promised, the estimated date or whatever. So I'm like, oh my God. I done missed out on these twice. But they ended up coming through. Because I definitely sent them an email like, yo, what's up with the order? Because if it got canceled, let me know now, give me my money back, and I can try to find these elsewhere. But whoever was, they're like, yeah, it's on back order. They're still coming. We're processing now. So I think after that, I want to say it might have been 2 days. If it wasn't the next day, it was the day after. They actually shipped it out. And here we go today. I got my Cool Grey 3s. And I still haven't worn them. But, you know how it goes with COVID and everything. But yeah, that was my how did I cop story for the Cool Grey 3s, Let me know if you want to hear more stories because I have a lot of shoes and I'm pretty sure most of them, if not all, have some kind of story behind it. So if you want me to keep this series going, just let me know with the likes, the views, of course, and definitely comments, man. Let me know down in the comments below, man. And yeah, that's going to do it for this one, man. Appreciate you for watching. It's been your boy, Eat That Reap. It's been the Cool Grey 3s. Definitely a highly underrated colorway in my opinion, but I know how the hype moves. But yeah, on to the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.